the hand puppet versus Sophie. The hand puppet. Oh. She's quick, but I'm smarter, I think. She bites. How do I look? Come on, show me what you got. Don't you got any bigger dogs around here? Whoa, 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 she growled. Whoa, I'm scared. Whoa. I can creep along the floor. I can jump, 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 jump. There. Ow! Oh! She snagged me. I got a loose thread. Oh! She got me. Oh. 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 I still got some life in me. Oh. Just needed a little rest time. Oh, she came up from behind. Yorkies are sneaky. Oh, she got me right in the nose. Ouch. She got me. She immortalized me. Sophie, you killed him. I think he's dead.